Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Quarter Life Crisis. Today I have 3 very beautiful nail art tutorials for you. This is minimalist nail art, so very simple, easy to do, will take less than 10 minutes and require very few materials. So thanks for watching, let's get started. For the first design, apply a base coat of your choice all over the nail in a thin coat. And don't forget to cap the free edge of your nail to help your manicure last. Next, apply a nude or beige polish of your choice. I'm only applying 1 coat here, but you can apply as many as you'd like to get the opacity you want. Just make sure the coats are thin and you let them dry between each one. And don't forget to cap that free edge. For the next step, you will need some red acrylic paint thinned down with water and a striping brush. Fill up your brush with paint and then anchor it to the base of your nail and drag it slowly all the way to the tip. Make sure your brush is flat against the nail the whole way down. And that's it. The final step is to apply a matte top coat to give your nail a flat finish. And it helps to cap the bottle and shake it between each nail. That really helps to mattify that nail. And don't forget to cap your free edge, and then this manicure is complete. Okay, for our next manicure, we're going to start with a base coat, just as we did before. And the base coat fills the ridges of your nail to make it a smooth surface, and it also protects the nail from staining. For the next step, you will need to apply some white polish onto your surface, and you will also need a small dotting tool. Load up the dotting tool with your polish, and you're going to apply 3 dots right at the base of your nail. Now, I've chosen white polish because I like the way it stands out, but you can use any color that you like. Final step is to apply a top coat to seal in your design and cap your free edge to help your manicure last. And that's it. Okay everyone, this is our final manicure, and we are going to begin by applying our base coat as usual. And then we are going to apply a strip of polish right across the nail, just above the free edge. And make sure the polish is thinner towards the tip of the nail because French manicures do tend to lift. Make sure you cap the free edge, and we're ready to move on to the next step. For the next step, we're going to need our striping brush again, and we're also going to need some black acrylic paint thinned down with water. Now when you fill up your brush with the paint, make sure you keep it away from the base of those hairs. Now anchor your brush just above your polish, and then slowly turn your nail as you drag the paint across, keeping that brush flat against the nail. The final step for this manicure is to apply a top coat to protect your design. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.